Oh yeah, thumb studs and opening hole. Tip, one position right carry pocket clip, ambidextrous opening. Here we got a $4.87 Ozark Trail pocket knife. Stainless steel blade, glass filled nylon handle. Ugly looking, but that's just my opinion. There's your model number there, 20234. So here it is right out of the package. Good lockup, no lanyard hole, thick jimping, tip down deep carry clip, centered. It's a thick blade, so this will be interesting to see. As far as the EDC testing, no markings on the blade steel. Only thing says Ozark Trail. I guess there's kind of a choil there, not too bad. Feels good in hand. So there you go. The Ozark Trail. Oh, I guess we should look for the 20234.